In this video we are going to review the back office of MailerLite. So the link to its registration will be in the description of this video. So registration process is very simple. In one of our previous lessons we've got personal email, email on personal domain. So as far as you have it now, you can just register an account on MailerLite. What I like about it that its back office is user friendly. It's very simple to navigate here. As well, the support is always ready to help you. Here you can ask questions, whatever you're interested in. They've got good FAQ. So let's come to the revision process. So dashboard. So here it shows the unique subscribers. The plan, so it's my test account. So all whatever you see here is on test mode. So well, let's go down here. Just as the subscriber grows, shows you some kind of statistics. Automation forms, we'll speak about it in one of our next videos when we start creating our mails. So campaigns, here it will show you the campaigns which you have. Okay, so as far as I've mentioned, it's my test account, so it's half empty. In the field of subscribers, you'll find your subscribers which you have. So forms, it's very interesting. On part 2, here it's possible to create landing pages, as I've mentioned in one of our previous videos, and as well forms. And in the option of automation, here you can create the chain of emails. It's very simple. Here you can see the builder of how to do it. We'll as well review it in one of our next videos. As well, there is an option of upgrade to a better rate. So just here, as far as you can see, better mode up to 2.5k subscribers is $10 per month. It's pretty cheap. I would say it's very cheap. As well, help, so-called help FAQ. You can ask for it here, whatever question you have. As well, here you can change additional information about your profile, account settings, and so on. See you in the next video.